Crikey, I didn't see you there. It's me, Stirwin, and today, on the 4th of July, we're gonna be lighting off some fireworks in honor to celebrate the 4th of July and to keep the bathroom pig away. And here are your announcements. Crikey, didn't see you there. High school camp is getting here pretty quick. So what you gotta do is you wanna sign up as soon as possible. And if you need a scholarship, be sure to write camp on the back of your communication card. Huh. Huh. Crikey. Oh, crikey, it's me, Stirwin, and you're watching Disney Channel. And this Tuesday at the Meridian Habitat Center, there's gonna be Summer Life. Make sure you're there, because we're playing volleyball. Crikey. Oh, I didn't see you there. It's me, Stirwin again. And I want you to know, if you're entering high school, grades 9 through 12, this year, you could be an intern. If you want to do that, write intern on the back of your comm card and we'll reach out to you. Wish this was a joke. Oh, crikey.